this class is all about I can do it myself game. Alright, so let's dive into it. First of all, I'm going to form a plate. The measurement is 20/80. Very short hand and a longer hand. So let me create a plate. You already know how to create a plate. This is my base. First of all, put your piece in and then you start. This is your hand inside. You bring it in, you press. You go again, you bring it in. You go again, you bring it in. So let's do four. Let's do 4 plates. So I'm going to put it on my head. I will drag because it's short hand and a longer hand. So remember, this hand, this one will be here when we do this other one, so that it will fall this side. This is it. So I'm going to place it here. So you're not having 2 hands. Alright, just come back and adjust your plate. So this place that is coming up like this. Okay. So that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. You can do it. Try this style and tell me what you think. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.